it's hard to believe that just yesterday we were able to swim in this river. It really was a creek with a gentle current. Now, if you fall in there, that's not good. That would be deadly. I don't know what the speed of that current is, but the power is there. It's combined with obviously water and mud, silt, sand, probably some gravel, some rocks moving around, maybe some wood.